I'm pretty sure he can solve the Rubik's Cube. I wonder if he does it like this.
Okay, here we go. Okay. Eureka! Oh.
Seems legit.
Hey, are you able to solve this? Oh, yeah, sure, man.
How is he solving it without the math equations? Hey guys, thank you so much for watching the video. We are almost at 400 subscribers, so do me a solid, go and hit that subscribe button. It means a lot to me. Thank you all again so much for all the support you've been giving. You've been blowing up the videos, which I really appreciate. So yeah, like, comment, and subscribe. If I like your comment, I might give you a shout out in the next video. So yeah, have a good night.